Now let's take a close look at the equation 1. So here's minus I equal to 1 to n di, and then plus I from 1 to n w xi, and then summation of I equal to 1 to n b equal to 0. So equation 2 is equal to this, equal to, we do the summation minus, so here I equal to 1 to n and di, and then plus summation I equal to 1 to n and wxi, and then plus I equal to 1 to n and b, this one equal to 0. So here you can see basically di whole thing, this one equal to we can move this one to that side, so this move all this into that side, so this basically equal to, tells you this is the nb equal to summation I equal to 1 to n and di, and then minus summation I equal to 1 to n and wxi. Is that right? Because b is a constant, you have n together, that's nb. This tells us b equal to n, and then summation I equal to 1 to n and di, and then minus summation I equal to 1 to n and wxi. So here you have n di multiplied together, and then over you have I did sum together and over n. That's equal to the d average value. This is a bar means average. And w actually is constant. You can move this outside the summation side. And here you have nx sum together and then over n. This one equal to nothing but equal to w and x bar. So this is the equation 2. Equation 1, we can derive this guy. We know the b is a function of d and the w x bar. Then let's go back to look at the equation 2. So here's b equal to what we derived from here. Therefore, we can rewrite equation b. We can plug that one into here. The b replaced by the x bar, d bar minus w x bar. So then we'll get a new equation. Equation 2 equal to this, equal to minus summation I equal to 1 and n, and then here's di xi, and then plus summation I equal to 1 to n, and here's the w xi and square, and then plus summation I equal to 1 to n. Let's go back, check the b. Here's equation 2. Here should be b, but we know b equal to this thing, so we plug this one into the equation. That's equal to the d bar and the minus w x bar, and then multiply with xi. This whole thing equal to 0. Okay, the equation 2 we can derive in this format because we replace the b, use the summation of d bar and x and w bar, the w and x bar. So this one can write as minus di and xi, and then plus summation I equal to 1 to n. Of course, here has I equal to 1 to n. And then it's w x I square. And then plus will be two terms. The first term equal to I equal to 1 to n. And the d bar and xi. Second term is minus summation I equal to 1 to n. And w x bar and xi, this equal to 0. So we reorganize this. We can move this one to the right side. So therefore this tells us I equal to 1 to n and the w. So this one be equal to x bar and xi. Here has w term. This is minus xi square. This term have a w. Let's mark this one. Use different color. So this term has a w term. And this term has a w term. So we move them together, both on right side. So this one equal to, change the color back. This one equal to summation and the d bar and xi and minus I equal to 1 to n. Here's I equal to 1 to n. And here's di and xi. We move this one to right side. Yes. So then we can get the w. We can move the w outside. We can get the w equal to nothing, but equal to summation I equal to 1 to n. And here is x bar xi minus xi square on denominator, and numerator equal to this guy. It's equal to I equal to 1 to n. And here's d bar xi and minus di xi. So this one we can get to the final format. This one equal to, on the numerator equal to summation and xi and minus x bar, and then it's the di minus d bar. And the denominator equal to summation is the xi minus x bar, and then multiply with xi minus x bar.